Delighted to be joined by Anis Taj and Baluta. Firstly, how are we? How is Telford treating you?
Estoy muy bien, gracias.
He's very good, I'm good. ¿Y cómo estás, Telford? ¿Bien?
Está bien, es segunda vez que voy aquí en el Telford. Es mucho frío.
You say it's his second time coming into Telford. He's treating us well. We've only been here for a few hours so far, but he's happy and it's very cold.
Very cold. Obviously had a bit of an intense face-off there. What was his reaction to that?
¿Cómo estás tú? ¿Cómo ganas por cómo es el face-off con tu rival? ¿Bien?
Es bien.
Es un poco intenso, ¿no?
No, para mí no es intenso. Este sábado voy a ganar este combate. Estoy muy bien preparado y siempre confío en mí.
It wasn't intense for him. He said it was just a normal face-off for him. For the opponent, we're not sure. But he goes, he's prepared well for the fight. He's looking forward to the fight, and he's going to win very well.
How does he rank Andrew Cain amongst other his opponents that he's boxed?
¿Cómo estás tu rival con tu pasada rival en otras peleas? Por ejemplo, ¿cómo estás Andrew Cain en comparing? Por ejemplo, es bien, no bien, en pasada tu pelea con
en la pelea. Es un boxeador, de verdad es un boxeador fuerte, un boxeador agresivo, pero yo estoy trabajando para él, estoy muy fuerte, me encuentro muy fuerte, estoy motivado para ganar el sábado.
In comparison to my other opponents, they were better as well, but he's a strong opponent. I prepared for someone who's come in and who's strong, who's coming to fight, and I'm ready for it. I'm ready to fight on Saturday, and I'm ready to win on Saturday.
Obviously, if he wins on Saturday, there's another fighter on this card, Jason Cunningham, who looks like he's going to be facing Liam Davis next. Is his eye on that matchup, and who would he like out of the two?
Por ejemplo, tú ganar en sábado y es otra persona en el evento, Cunningham, y es posibilidad después de evento en sábado es pelear con Cunningham y Davis, y tú ver cómo es ganar en el pelea por ti.
Sí, primero quiero ganar este sábado y después pienso pelear con cualquier boxeador, con Cunningham, con Liam Davis y rematch, pero primero quiero hacer mi trabajo este sábado.
He's ready to win on Saturday, and his sole focus is on Saturday. But after the fight on Saturday, once he wins, he's then going to look at who he can fight. Whether that's Jason Cunningham, whether that's a rematch with Liam Davies, that will be decided after Saturday.